Good evening, everyone. Good game, everyone. Nice game. Welcome, everyone. I'm Andre Banjarapa, and together with and welcome to our exhibit is called Brand New. Be real, be you, be different.
So, our theme is brand new and shows the importance of having a strong brand name. So, we elaborate this start with pictures and papers, as you can see here. And we want them to know that a strong brand identity helps a business distinguish itself in a crowded market. It ensures that customers can recognize and differentiate your product or services from those of your competitors.
We posted some quotes connected to this theme for them to familiarize. We'll be showing some logos in our group. As you can see, the design is very unique. Okay. And our brand becomes a powerful tool that can drive all marketing campaigns, reducing the need for constant reinvention. A strong brand identity can enhance the perceived value of our products or even services. Customers often associate strong branding with quality and are willing to pay. In our book, we will be giving some stickers and giveaways for them.
As you can see here, we have our customized stickers. Yes, brand new. So, we also have very simple applications that you can create your own logo. You can make your own face. So, by the sticker, you can see there. And here are the sample examples. There. So, here, we also have art materials. So, English, we can have the visitors already their own brand.
It comes with different texture. That's all. Thank you.
Ay, bakit ko na lang bahala? Yes, sir.
Hey, cool. That's all. Thank you. Okay.
Ay, sino ako na?
Sila po.
Ay, kami na wala. You know, thank you very much. Bali yun yan.
Si Ma'am Cory?
Dito, sa mga kapares ko.
Oo. Ay, bag ko. Sige, wait lang guys. Sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Wala yan ni Kay. Original. Original talaga.
Thank you, ma'am. Ito si Ma'am Cory.
Sarap.
Si Ma'am Cory umuwi na?
Opo.
Okay.
Pero okay ka na. Dalawa na lahat.
Yeah, stop.
Sige, bye-bye.
Susi sa faculty room. Wait lang, ila ko lang yung faculty room saglit.
Sige, sige. Antayin ka namin.
Okay po. Ay, hindi pwede. It's a big trouble. Good evening.
Siguro ano lang, hindi pa full mga dalawa, tatlo.
Chris,
Or isa-isa muna.
tipo di...
Isa-isa muna. Di ba dalawa? After me.
Libre ka ba sila? Guys, libre ko kayo mga inasal. Ah. Nasarahan na tayo ng lahat.
Oy, tahimik! Magsasalita kami.
Transition natin naman.
Huwag ka sisigaw na! Huwag na mag-transition! Nakasirado ka pa eh.
Sino yung una? Videoan.
May transition na. Wala, Marky mo raw, wag na. Wag na, Marco. Aksaya ka sa oras. Umiyak ko yun. So, good evening everyone. I am Hadlong together with...
I'm John Marcos C. Jimenez.
So, our exhibit is about typography. As you can see, we have the artwork here. So, with the title of Soul Self-Scrutiny. So, an artwork applying typography and anaglyph is a creative way to emphasize different purposes, ranging from enhancing visual aesthetics and relativity to creating immersive and experimental visual expressions. So, these two approaches are meant to demonstrate to our audiences that the greatest way to convey concepts, arouse feelings, and tell a story through artistic expression is to trust the process and explore. So using textual elements to demonstrate the phrases that will give our art coherence and how the anaglyph will aid to enhance the visual impact for viewers as they attempt to view the masterpiece. So it's a smart notion to use the anaglyphs since they will grow in and grow into the viewer.
So, this anaglyph, the first thing viewers will notice when viewing the anaglyph typography art are the color palette. You still can't fully understand what the art actually trying to say without 3D glasses. Because it displays 3D. And this is another example of self-explanatory art in which the audience interpretation and perspective will vary based on how they view and interpret the work.
And that's it everyone. Thank you.
And kung kung mapapakita ko natin, we can use the typography and ink art and using anaglyph, we can see the totally art of And if you can try if the red is you're using, the image is actually no letter and or typography. And we can see, if we can see the blue, we can see the letters or typography in the art. And that's it, and thank you. There you go.
Ang ganda pare.
Okay guys, thank you so much.
Wala, wala mo. Iniwan eh.
Next!
Tara, boy. Okra.
15 kang daw.
Sila ikaw.
Oh no, there's a camera. Ganito no? Ito oh. Okay, sir. Wow.
Bakasan yung botes. Bakasan sila.
Sayang.
Hola, I'm Tisha Rosa,
And I am Melanie, and we are
the organizer of this event, Vision
Vision
of
of
Craftopia.
Craftopia.
Vision of Craftopia 2024 is an art festival dedicated to showcasing the diverse talents and skills of each individual with Vitalegia Grade 1. This event serves as a platform for students to present their creation, emphasizing their artistic ability and the depth of their craftsmanship. The festival features 7 distinct booths, each highlighting different topics and techniques covered in the graphic art world. This booth provides a comprehensive overview of the curriculum and demonstrates the students' proficiency in various artistic disciplines. Our primary goal is to foster a sense of community and creative play, encouraging attendees to envision a utopian world where craftsmanship and artistry are celebrated. We aim to inspire and engage our audience by presenting works that tell unique stories and reflect the individuality of the creators. Not just that, because Vision of Craftopia 2024 provides an invaluable opportunity for networking. It brings together students, faculty, industry professionals, and art enthusiasts, fostering connection that can lead to future collaboration, mentorship, and career opportunities. This interaction not only enriches the students' educational experiences, but also helps them build relationships that could be crucial for their professional growth.
So our goal is to emphasize the different works and art craftsmanship of different artists in the industry. So as you can see, this event we invited different people from different society to showcase their artworks and talents and help us identify what kind of craftsmanship they can bring to the society.
So, thank you for joining us as we celebrate the fusion of skills, imagination, and boundless potential of craftsmanship in a world where every creation is testament to the maker's vision. Connect with fellow artists and professionals and be part of the community where creativity and networking go hand in hand. So that's it for our mini exhibit.
Sir, isang video lahat na tayo.
Picture tayo!
Sir, picture yung po nga sir.
Yung pakimove yung table.
Kaya mo yung sa iba dyan ha, nakadiretso yung mukha ko. Ay, ano yung ating oras ha?
na ako.
At ano mo?
Photography na ako.
Ano mo, Parkwan?
Wala, tumabay ako.
Uy, Chris, hindi mo na second picture na yung tatlo.
Wala na ako. Di na save kasi nga, nasira yung ano eh.
Hindi ako, di ba?
Mali ko ba ako ba?
Mali ko ba kung gumana?
Ganito oh. Ayaw ko na. Ako ganun. Ako pa rin na-save.
Tapos na namin to.
Ay, bayaran. Sige. Dito ka Bro. Ayos! Ganun no? Ito ba yung natin yung piyasa? Yung 50 hawak kayo ng camera. Tapos dito, stop. Pangit. Ba't naka-side view? Paano naka-side view?
Okay, let's take a picture, guys.
Yes!
Yun!
So, ano lang tayo? Dalawang row lang tayo.
Andre!
Roses ka.
Chris, we're muna.
Ay, wait, wait, wait. Lumapit eh. Pwede ba sa'yo mo to? Sa'yo to, Arnie? Sa'yo to?
Oo. Hindi na. Nagdadala tayo para sa'yo.
Okay, napag-
Hi, welcome to my...
Kung to may vlog,
Hi,
Flip.
Pwede. Nakaupo.
Uy, picture niya lang sa akin niya yung heartbreaks ko.
Dayo!
Pita-pita.
Carpentry dito. Hindi na. Hindi na sa... Uy mo ba?
Babae na ako po.
Dito ba ako pumunod?
Ay, kanta pa dito sa baba.
Wala, hindi na sumusulpot eh. Joke lang.
Galit niya si Madam, ha?
Uy, pinapakon mo yung mga art.
Ang lakas mong gato.
Ay, Luis, ako ano na, countdown na.
Hindi, nakaupo na to.
Yan na.
Ay, hindi! Dahil ka.
Alright, thank you guys. So,
Ay, dito na talaga.
Ay, dito pa ako magbalat.
Bigyan niyo ng dance, sister.
Hello, James.
Bigyan kayo likod mo eh.
Ano yun?
Sir, tatanda. Ulo na lang kita na mga nakaupo eh.
10 seconds.
Oy, nandun si Sir, oh. Yung ano?
8,
Uy, bigyan ng araw
6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Wala ka pa.
Last four. Ayun ko
Last four.
Sabihin ko sa mga first.
Yung laptop yan. Giveaway para makita crop top yan natin.
Ay, ko dyan, Chris.
Bukas na lang ito.
Yan, perfect.
Yan, very good.
Uy, ka na.
Bebe ka na, Bebe.
Chris, pang dagdagan mo. Sige.
Oh, man.
High score.
Bawal guys, tayo muna ako.
Di ba naman yung ano?
Sige, long press mo lang.
Sige, sige, sir. Let's go.
Kukulit, so
Go. Yan, pwede na.
Pwede ba kaya naman ako sungay? Ako na yung sungay sa akin.
Jump shot.
Please, ako please. Wait lang ba?
Forward.
Like,
Super forward. Una.
Video sir.
Thank you, Lord.
Ay, ito. Okay, tayo po.
Go.
Dos. Sino kaya? Ikaw mag-isa.
Go, uno.
Ay, huwag mo natin talhin yung yung
Nakagalot ako, dapat mag-iwa ako. Kumain na ba? Wala, pwede mo.
Sabay.
Ay, dos naman, dos. 175.
Pagsabahan nyo ito. 1, 2, sabay. Thank you, Lord. So, chain heart.
Ano ba ito, be?
Chain heart.
Cross your heart.
Oh, finger.
Finger. Please.
Bye, guys. Nagagalit na si Marco.
Ano rap yan?
Alam mo yung mali?
Ang inig eh.
Can't get sick.
Kaya makuha yung memory niya.
Wala mo na ito, Ben.
Lagi kong mic din yan. Photo album sa akin yan. PowerPoint talaga yan. Lapit tumama na yan sa araw ko. Sandang mic din.
Lapit ko nga pala.
Grabe, tinalam ba yung PowerPoint ni Sir?
Oo. 102 Guinness World Record.
Ay, tulungan ako may mag-ayos ng lamesa.
Guys, tikit na muna.
Tipid.
Oy, boy. Ano ko?
Parang umaamin ka na.
Chris, ay meron pala to next step.
Drama.